Hello everyone, today let's take a look on how we can find references for the dimension in a project. So here in this example you can see I have overlapping references here. If I try to make my dimension, I can either grab my grid line, my wall as a reference, or my floor as a reference. If you have complex projects and someone already did the dimensioning, or you did it but you didn't notice what was the actual reference for the dimension, and for example here you can see I have a dimension and I think that it is reference to my grid. So if I move my grid line it should update, but it doesn't, and that is because it is not a reference to a grid. So as I said before, in complex projects where you have many overlapping references, it is pretty hard to find the one that the dimension is referencing to. So there is a small trick for this in Revit, and that is that if you click on the dimension and select the dimension itself and click on this small lock icon here, go with the show related, Revit will show you the references for this dimension. So you can see that it is referenced to my floor and to my window. So that means that now if I will modify my floor, you can see the dimension is getting updated.